Hello everyone, my name is Vipra Joshi and I am an assistant professor in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management in Electrical Engineering Department. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on subject of electrical power generation. In this video, I will be explaining MHD generation. This is unit 3rd topic of 6th semester in electrical engineering branch. So, MHD generator means magneto-hydrodynamic system. So it is the magneto-hydrodynamic system by which we can generate electricity. So we will discuss here. Okay. So MHD system, at first heat energy of the fuel is given to the MHD system and it convert it into the electrical energy without any conventional generator. So it is the direct conversion for the large power generation, and energy is generated due to the momentum of conducting fluid inside the magnetic field. Here we have a magnetic field and we have a conductor fluid inside this. So by both, here the momentum of conducting fluid, so by this we can generate electricity, and efficiency for this system is 50%. Now the principle of the MSD power generation. Okay, so in which Faraday law of electromagnetic induction used. Here we have a electrical conductor and we have a magnetic field of lines. Okay, so when this conductor will move through the magnetic field of lines, what will be happen? We can say when a conductor move in between the magnetic field of line, the electricity will be generated in the conductor. So this is the electromagnetic law of induction, and on this law a MHD generator will work. This is, we can see in the diagram, this is the magnetic field. Okay, so here magnetic field of lines will pass and here the working fluid. Okay, so by the moment of working fluid, here the electricity will be generated. Now the principle of the MSD generation. What is the working principle of the MSD generation? Okay, so in this we used a ionized gas which work as a conductor. Okay, so in the place of conductor we used here a ionized gas. Okay, so for understanding the principle we can use this figure. Here we have a ionized gas as a conductor, and we will have here a inverter and heater and compressor and MSD system. So in the compressor it compress the air. Okay, then increase the temperature of gas and air. By this, compressor compress the air and increase the temperature of gas and air. Then it will be transferred to the heater, and heater will heat the gas at deionization temperature. then this gas is distributed into the ions. Then these ions going to the MHD generator system. Here ions moves into the respective electrode. Here we have used two electrode, one is positive and one is negative. So when the ions is come from the heater, they are goes to the their respective electrode. After that, when they are goes to their respective electrode, by the electricity will be generated, then it will convert it into the AC power by the inverter, because by MSD generator we produce a DC power. Now we convert it into the AC power by the use of inverter. So if you see detailed study of the MSD generator, it has two system. One is open cycle MSD system and second is closed cycle MSD system. So if we see working of the open cycle MSD system, it is here we have a coal processor which will process a coal, and here we have a combustor in which combustion will take place, and we have here a expansion nozzle for expanding of gas, and it has connected to the MSD system, and we have here a inverter. Okay, and this is the air preheater, and this is seed recovery, and this is purifier. Here we purify the nitrogen and sulfur, and we have a stack here. So if we see the working for this, at first in the compressor is work for the air compression. Here combustor is work for the air compression. These all are connected into the, here we have a compressor here. So the compressor is work the air compression. So these all are connected through the pipe. Now what will be the working principle? Air preheater connected to the compressor. Here we can see air preheater connected to the compressor for supplying preheat air to the compressor. Okay, so for increasing the efficiency of MSD generator, we supplying air from the air preheater. By this we can increase the efficiency of MSD. Now working fluid in this open MSD system, we use working fluid is air. So coal will come from here, the coal is come to the combustor from the coal processor, or after burning the coal, combustor will produce a hot gases and compressor will supply from here to air. So the combustor, here air will be heat at about the temperature of 5000 to 6000 degrees centigrade and convert it into the plasma or ionized gas. Then it goes to these gas goes to the MSD generator. Now ion goes to their respective electrode. By this process, electricity will be generated, and we can say electricity generation will be take place. Now exert gas will go to the air preheater. Exhaust exert gas will go to the air preheater. This preheat the air, and in the heat recovery means there we give a extra additive to the gas for increasing the conductivity of the gas. Okay, by this we can increase the conductivity. So after this, here this is go to the purifier, and here some polluting agent like nitrogen, sulfur are removed, and then gas sent to the by here to the atmosphere with the help of this chimney. So this is the working principle of the open MSD generator. At first, fuel is burned into the compressor. By here we can supply air, and by here we can supply fuel. Then here fuel is burned. Okay, and after a combustion will take place, a ionized gas is goes from the combustor to the MSD generator, and here respective ions goes to their respective electrode, positive electrode and negative electrode. So positive ion goes to the positive electrode and negative ion goes to the negative electrode, and after this we will generate DC power, and for converting DC power we use here a inverter. By this we can also generate the AC power, and exert gas will goes to the preheater. At first here the air is preheat, and after that we gives this into the heat recovery. Here one extra additive agent and extra we can say here we extra additive to the gas given, okay, for increasing the conductivity of the gas. Then we supply it to the purifier where the nitrogen, sulfur are rejected and removed, and after that we will remove nitrogen and sulfur. Then after that we will give and send to the atmosphere this gas by the help of chimney. So this is the working principle of the open MSD system. Now the second system is closed cycle MSD system. In the closed cycle generator we use liquid and working fluid is like here we can see the working principle of the closed cycle generation. Okay, so here we use the working fluid is argon. Here combustor attached to with the we can say here combustor attached to the with the heat exchanger. Okay, so working fluid in the closed MSD generator is argon and helium gas. We can also use helium gas. At first coal processor sent to the coal processor send coal to the combustor, and in combustor exchange the heat energy by the heat exchanger. It exchanges the heat energy of the coal, and argon will convert it into the vapor. When one form of energy is changed, then gas is changed into the vapor. Then these gas will send to the MSD system. When argon is converted into the vapor, then it these gas is sent to the MSD system. Now here also exerted heat gives to the heat exchanger for generating the system, and after that this turbine will be start rotating here. Okay, we can see here we have a heat exchanger. So here we also exerted heat gives to the heat exchanger, and then it after that it is this heat go to the turbine and it moves to the turbine. So turbine start will rotating, and here a generator is also connected to the turbine. So after that generator start rotating and we will produce electricity. So we have here two method. By here we can use this method for generating electricity, and here by this system we are also generating the electricity. So this is the another cycle for the closed loop cycle for the closed loop system. Here argon is supplied again and again by this closed cycle, and electricity generated by the closed cycle MSD generation. So this is the working of the closed cycle MSD generator. Here we use the working fluid is argon. So here when we give the argon to the combustor, and by here we give the air to the combustor. So here by the help of heat exchanger the vapor is produced, and this vapor is given to the MSD, and here the ions goes to their respective electrode, and by this we can generate electricity. Okay, and here also heat is goes to the heat exchanger, and after that this heat goes to the turbine, and turbine start rotating because the turbine is connected to the generator. So here the generator also start rotating, and generator convert mechanical energy into the electrical energy. So by this we have here closed cycle, and argon is supplied again and again by this closed cycle, and electricity generated by the closed cycle. Now the difference between the open cycle and closed cycle working fluid. In open cycle system, working fluid after generating electrical energy is discharged to the atmosphere through the stack, but in closed cycle the fluid is recycled again and again, and it is recycled to the heat source and thus used again. Okay, so the second is operation of MSD generator in open cycle system is done directly on combustion product, and the third is temperature requirement is 2300 degree centigrade to 2700 degree centigrade, and it is more developed. But here in closed cycle we use argon or helium with some seeding agent. Okay, and it argon and helium here work as a working fluid, and here the temperature is 530 degree centigrade, and the closed cycle system is less developed. Now some advantage of MSD generation. Here the efficiency is about 50%, and it is less fuel consumption. Large amount of pollution free power generated. We can say this generation is pollution free, and ability to reach full power level as soon as started. Plants next is plant size is considerable smaller than the conventional fuel plant and less overall operation cost. And here is no moving part, so it is more reliable. And last is suitable for peak power generation, and we use this plant for the emergency service. These are the advantages for MSD generation. Disadvantages of the MSD generator are here is a problem of short circuit, because here suffer from the reverse flow of electron through the conducting fluid around the end of the magnetic field. And here we use the large magnet, so these magnets are very major. Okay, and here we have losses, heat transfer losses and friction losses, and it use we at high operating temperature. So these are the disadvantages of the MSD generator. Now applications are power generation in spacecraft, and second is hypersonic wind tunnel experiment, and third is defense applications. So this is the application for the MSD generator. Thank you.